If you have $1,000 sitting in your checking account right now, you are probably paralyzed by the exact same question that keeps millions of Americans completely broke. Do you pay down your credit card? Do you invest it in the S&P 500? Or do you leave it sitting there for an emergency? If you guess wrong on this, the math is absolutely brutal. You could end up losing hundreds of thousands of dollars in compound interest over your lifetime. Or worse, you end up facing bankruptcy when your car transmission randomly blows out on a Tuesday. But the wealthiest people in this country do not guess. They do not operate on feelings. They follow a strict, unbending, mathematically proven set of rules. Today, I am giving you the exact step-by-step financial order of operations. No fluff, no complicated Wall Street garbage. Just the exact aggressive order you need to deploy your money to build massive wealth and eliminate financial panic. Step 1 is your financial oxygen mask. You need a starter emergency fund immediately, and I mean today. I am talking about one single month of basic, bare-bones living expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account. It is not invested in the stock market. It is not in crypto. It is just sitting there in cash. Why? Because life is 100% guaranteed to throw a brick at your head. A flat tire, a broken water heater, or a random medical bill should never force you to pull out a credit card that charges 25% interest. You cannot build long-term wealth if you are constantly slipping on ice. Secure the base first. Once the oxygen mask is securely on, step 2 is capturing free money. If your employer offers a 401k match, you contribute exactly enough to get the absolute maximum match. Nothing more, nothing less. If they match up to 5% of your salary, you put in exactly 5%. Listen to me carefully. That is a 100% guaranteed return on your investment the exact second that money hits the account. There is no hedge fund manager, no day trader, and no real estate mogul on earth who can guarantee a 100% return on day one. If you skip this step to pay down low-interest debt, you are literally taking a voluntary pay cut and leaving a massive pile of cash sitting on your boss's desk. Step 3 is where we go to absolute war. You have to eliminate all high-interest, toxic debt. I am talking about anything with an interest rate over 8%. Credit cards, personal loans, payday loans, high-interest car loans. Mathematically, the stock market returns an average of 8 to 10% a year. If you have credit card debt charging you 24% and you are trying to invest in the stock market to get 10%, you are bleeding out. The math is moving backward. You attack this toxic debt with everything you have. Cut your subscriptions, stop eating out, sell the junk sitting in your garage, pay it off, and swear to never carry a balance again. Step 4. Now that the toxic debt is completely gone and your cash flow is freed up, you expand that starter emergency fund to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your sleep at night money. This is the financial fortress that protects you from a massive recession, a sudden corporate layoff, or a major medical emergency. And finally, step 5. This is where you actually get rich. You max out your tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is the greatest legal cheat code in the American tax system because it allows your money to grow completely tax-free forever. If you invest $500 a month into an S&P 500 index fund inside a Roth IRA starting at age 25, you will have over $1.7 million by the time you retire. And the IRS cannot legally touch a single penny of those gains. Stop guessing what to do with your paycheck. Follow the order. Protect yourself, get the free money, kill the toxic debt, build the fortress, and invest aggressively. Break the order, and you break the math. Following this definitive order of operations provides a simple system designed to help you make the most of every dollar and avoid costly financial mistakes.